We started earlier, we did a section on dry lands, desert in Algeria. This is the rest of the desert section, pages 46 and 47. I like that picture. Scientists can tell that the deserts now on Earth were not always here. Most of them are probably only a few million years old. At one time, most of the places we now know as deserts were green and fertile, but something happened. Changes in the wind and weather made rain stop falling on these places. Then, year after year, these lands were baked and dried by the sun until they became the deserts they are today. Chalbi Desert in Kenya. That's the Nullarbor Plain in Western Australia. And the Atacama Desert in Chile. It's a fact the highest temperature of any place in the world was recorded in the Sahara, a temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit or 58 degrees Celsius. Page 48 and 49, Land in the Water. Explosion after explosion of hot rock and ash spurted from the ocean. A thick cloud of steam rose high into the air. Slowly, for many days, a long mound of dark lava rose up out of the water. An island had been born. An island, of course, is a piece of land with water all around it, but the land doesn't float on the water. What you see is the top of land that sticks up from the bottom of the sea. Most islands far out in the ocean are actually the tops of underwater volcanoes. Volcanic islands are made when underwater volcanoes erupt, pouring out red-hot melted rock. The rock quickly cools and hardens in the water, building up into a big cone-shaped mountain. The island is the top of the cone. All islands aren't volcanoes. Most islands and lakes and rivers are high places of land that stick out of the water. Some islands are formed when the sea separates them from the mainland. Great Britain was not always an island, but the land that joins it to Europe was last covered by the sea thousands of years ago. It's an island of Surtsey in Iceland. Surtsey. Most islands in the ocean are the tops of underwater volcanoes. The picture at left shows such an island being born. Smoke from the underwater volcano is pouring up. Below, the top of the volcano has risen from the water.